Hey man, welcome back to the Six Cut Highlight Reel. We're gonna bring another banger for y'all. This game is definitely gonna be a competitive one. Two elite teams in the East, the Cleveland Cavaliers and the Washington Wizards. John Wall's playing in this game. Bradley Beal's playing in this game. I don't know if Otto Porter's back. I know he got injured in one of these previous games, so I don't know if he was injured and he was out for a bit or if he's back in the lineup. But if he is, it should be a good game. I mean, regardless, because Washington and Cleveland, they usually have close battles. They have throughout the past few years. Washington, they say, I think it was last year in the postseason, they're like, Cleveland doesn't want to see us in the playoffs or whatever. And then they lose to Boston in 7 games in the semifinals. So, yeah, I don't know what that had to do with this, but Washington, obviously, they've underachieved this year. They thought, well, I initially thought they would be a top 4 seed or at least a 5 seed. Because Milwaukee was up and coming as well. You know, they've arrived, kind of, not really, because they've played ass too. But yeah, without further ado, let's see if Cleveland keeps their hot streak going, or if Washington can come and steal a game. I think George Hill's out for them this game. He was out for them last time we played them.
There is a change for the Cavaliers. George Adams and Derek Richardson.
Damn, Cedi Osman's playing the point guard position? Oh, well, not really. LeBron's going to play the point guard position.
First round matchup. It's very back to Gortat with a turnover. And Hood comes the other way for the Cleveland Cavaliers. They've won 4 straight games. Inside they go. Jeff Green
and one, all right. Otto Porter is playing.
To Morrison, they reset 2 straight losses for the Wizards. 3 of 4, 6 of 8. They've lost 11 of 17. John Wall the other way since he's been out, missed all those games. They say he's lost about 10, 15 pounds against Osman.
Oh, tough layup.
He's a terrific interior passer. His ability to make touch passes in traffic. Speaking of touch, they've been playing some of their best basketball.
Larry Drew just turned 60. Their associate head.
Say Larry Drew just turned 60? For a second I thought that was his player he was talking about. Man. God damn.
Cavaliers won here Tuesday against Toronto by 6. They hit 13 threes against the Raptors.
Kevin Love, 3, that's what you do.
Wall going in. Love got the pass.
LeBron, too fast for everybody.
A time where there was so much still in doubt.
Love, ooh, Gortat, where you going? You know Love's going to take that 3. Read the goddamn scouting report. You slow, weak ass, Mohawk looking boy.
By Mike Scott, now to Wall.
Yeah, good job in terms of creating an opportunity.
And not on Nance. J.R. Smith.
Corver.
Corver 3, his second cup
Block, and it's LeBron because, one, he can see over the double team, and there just kind of pick you apart.
Wall trying to create once again. And here comes LeBron. Good spin move by Jay. He just said good. It was great. It was a great spin move. I know it.
John Wall.
Swagger his way down the lane, and Wall gets it to go.
Welcome back, John Wall.
LeBron and Wall.
Can't guard him, Wall, you're too small. Even though you almost missed that. Sadarowski, damn, lose the ball. Clarkson, show him what you got. Ooh, 360. All right, I see you. The weakest 360 I've ever seen, but still a 360. You're trying to come back and block that shot. All right, I see you. Beal. Mahimi's 68 overall, weak ass. Beginner, NBA beginner pack, weak ass. In my team.
Made his first All-Star game.
J.R. Smith, you're going to put a good amount of games together? Because I thought he was going to slam that. You've been playing like ass. You're about to lose your starting role. You might even lose your position. You might even lose a roster spot if you keep playing like this. The Cavs are going to wave your ass. Beal, too easy. Corver can't play defense for shit. Love, work his ass. Morris is too small for you. Ooh, what happened? Jeff Green, you good, bro?
The time is now if you're the Wizards. They're they're looking at matchups, how they
The time is
set up
now.
against certain teams there. Mahimi again.
They do match up pretty well against
James
Cleveland.
knocked away, picked up by Morris.
Great
Off
job.
to Beal. Here is a wide open three.
John Wall, nice steal.
Opportunities, though, for other teams to see which ones take advantage.
That vision,
goes
though, bro.
outside to James.
Yo, LeBron, can you just come play for the Raptors one season, help us get a ring, and then bounce?
2-on-1.
Statue of Liberty?
Thought better of it.
Ball will drive right into Love and kick it out to Beal. Over Green. That's perhaps not as seasoned as they've been in the past. With the
Oh, it doesn't pass it to the cutter.
Points from three-point shooting tonight.
Love is definitely carrying the load with LeBron,
Into Mahimi.
making those open shots.
Is going to be better on the
If he
block.
plays like that in the playoffs, they could definitely make it to the conference finals. To the finals.
But Kevin Love
But if he has to do everything on his own,
with 16 into James.
ooh,
Doubled it.
damn, that was tough.
The Rockets on Tuesday. Shot clock at 4, and Morris collides with Love.
You call that balance,
A
right?
lot of balance.
Jeff Green, you good, bro? What the hell are you doing?
There, Mahimi and Green. Beal. Nice pass.
Nice pass.
Porter is ahead.
When you
Beal's learned to become more of a facilitator with John Wall out of the lineup for a while.
couple guys that they're going to rely upon as Kevin Love attacks these.
Wizards are fouled again.
Pull up for that three, bro.
Mahimi watches LeBron.
You could just,
go for
oh,
three.
what the?
Nothing but air.
Close that window.
Clarkson will defend.
That was ugly as shit. But LeBron, you can see when he does a little hezzy, he'll pull back, step back, and
getting serious about transition defense and competing. And
Gortat's Mohawk ass.
Shot clock is down to 6.
He's falling off heavy. They need to get rid of him.
Wall got the Gortat screen.
Steady. LeBron. Bro, I swear you guys were just up 10. How did it go down to 4 points?
Out to John Wall. His three is right.
1 point game?
He missed 34.
This is the Washington team these guys your fans want to see.
Another three. Good. Wall. Put
On that end.
LeBron's got 16 right now.
This is the Washington team that everyone's been waiting for.
Good.
The team that keeps up with Cleveland.
Austin 3.
I think that's something that he can continue.
The rookie from Turkey, Seti Osman.
Quality of the shots he's going to get is Otto there.
Start third longest active streak in the NBA. Austin
Seti Osman.
minute 3.
Cavs from beyond.
Wizards have 21 assists. And number 20 top the rebound.
Seti Osman looks like he's playing well in the starting lineup right now.
Got numbers and outside it goes.
They got a lot of size to guard.
Good. Here comes John Wall the other way, racing with LeBron, feeding off to Gortat.
Man,
with
they're
the
so
quick
fast, bro.
hesitation. Another points. 18th double-double for him. Wizards have 9 assists on 10 made baskets. This is Wall.
John Wall definitely improved that jumper.
As well as he's played.
He's becoming more and more of a shooter.
Been the best game he's
Morris.
had at three-point line. I am trying to load
Larry
that
Nance.
paint defensively.
Barely see him make that pass. He's more of an alley-oop dunker. Block that. Block that.
The Cavaliers are 7 and 30 taken away.
Larry Nance. Ooh.
Cross-court Clarkson.
Really important. for
Damn,
the
how did you
Cavs
guys go down
to
8?
get into that lead of the Wizards.
Scott 3. Good.
What the hell? How's it an 11-point game?
Assists coming into this quarter, and that continues here.
Bro, did it just turn into like a 22-point turnaround throughout the game?
With a drive.
They were down 11 or 12, and now they're up.
Bucket. Here's on him. Scott Brooks says
They're up 11.
to improve. He slows him down there. Hit a nice knockaway inside by Gortat. And here comes Beal the other way for
You guys
the
really gonna
Wizards.
choke
The
this game right now?
The feed. Satoransky 3. Gortat.
Bro, how you guys down
That
14?
shows you how young these coaches are.
Holy shit.
Beal 3. Bucket.
with it and get
Bro, how'd you guys go down?
opportunity there for Beal.
James to Corver. Beal
Oh,
with the
I mean,
shot.
I don't really care if you guys lose, to be honest, but god damn, I feel for your fans right now. They're probably so excited. You guys are getting your shit together, and then you guys choke up a lead, and LeBron's taking shots like that.
Opposite, they did a good job there. Hood
Rebound.
J.R. Smith trying to put in work, all right. Pull up 3.
James 3.
All right, Mr. 3, come back with another one. I see you, LeBron. Confidence never gets shook.
defensive player. They got 4 guys that
They say it's not like the 2011 playoffs where you choked and disappeared.
Morris just hit an important one for Washington. Approaching 5 to play. Here comes Green. Here's LeBron. Shot clock is down to 5. Makes a move on Porter.
Big man move.
Where you got to figure out.
Damn, Washington. Now you're going to choke this lead? How did they cut the 17-point lead down to 8?
The reverse.
10.
Good there and his strength to get to the rim.
12 points and 5 rebounds for Morris. Trying to defend LeBron inside.
You guys can't guard him. Who really has anybody that can guard LeBron in the Eastern Conference? Spin move. 4-point game. All right. Now we got a game. 2-point game. All right. Now we got a game. Cleveland choked the lead. Washington choked the lead. Let's see who comes out with the W. 3-point game. Nice cut. That's easy money. John Wall, what you got for us? Are you clutch? You are clutch. All right, you clutch as hell. Let's see. Oh, as I say, you're clutch as hell. You. Oh, that was a pivotal turnover. John, how did you turn that ball over? Why would you drive into the paint like that if you didn't know what you were gonna do? Make up your mind and drive into the paint with a mentality that you're either going to take it up for a layup or you're going to pass it out to somebody for the 3. You turn the ball over like that and it's a live ball turnover, someone's going to have to foul him. That was so close to being a clear path foul, but luckily someone was in front running with Seti. Damn. I don't know who deserved that win more because you guys both choked a double-digit lead. But Cleveland definitely wanted it more, so they got it. Seti played well. LeBron came through. LeBron did heroic things. The man of Superman, as always, coming through for Cleveland when they look like they're sinking underwater. He's been the clutch player that weak ass Skip Bayless says that he isn't from time to time. I enjoyed that game. Not the first half, not the second half, but not all of the second half, but the last bit. I'd say the last 6 minutes or so of the second. Not the second half, sorry. The last 6 minutes of the fourth quarter. All in all, Washington, there's a possibility that we could see them, and I'm referring to the Raptors, could see them in the first round. And that's the first time we're going to see them since they swept us in 2015. That would be an exciting series. Obviously, the Raptors are much more, a playoff-ready team. But there's Miami, there's Washington, and there's Milwaukee. So we'll see how that goes. Cleveland, they're in the 3rd spot. Please don't fall to the 4th spot. I'm begging you. We don't need to see you in the 2nd round after we beat whoever we play in the 1st round. That's going to do it for now. We're going to check out if there's any other games that are interesting to watch that had anything crazy that went down. So sit tight or, come back and revisit my channel later. We'll be back soon. Peace!